for many, it would be a crowning moment in a judicial career, standing at the president's side as a Supreme Court nominee. Less so, though, for Merrick Garland. His selection is already as good as blocked. President Obama has laid out his case anyway.
I've selected a nominee who is widely recognized not only as one of America's sharpest legal minds, but someone who brings to his work a spirit of decency, modesty, integrity, even-handedness, and excellence.
But top Republican lawmakers are adamant they will not hold hearings or votes on any of Obama's picks for the country's highest court. The president issued this rebuke in response.
If you don't, then it will not only be an abdication of the Senate's constitutional duty, it will indicate a process for nominating and confirming judges that is beyond repair. It will mean everything is subject to the most partisan of politics. Everything.
The evident hurdles to a court confirmation haven't diminished the moment for an emotional Judge Garland.
Thank you, Mr. President. This is the greatest honor of my life, other than Lynn agreeing to marry me 28 years ago.
Next, Obama says Garland is set to meet with senators one-on-one in the days ahead. But filling the seat on the court left by arch-conservative Justice Antonin Scalia is sure to be a big struggle.
The decision the Senate announced weeks ago remains about a principle and not a person. About a principle and not a person. It seems clear that President Obama made this nomination not with the intent of seeing the nominee confirmed, but in order to politicize it for purposes of the election. Americans are certain to hear a lot of rhetoric from the other side in the coming days. But here are the facts they should keep in mind. The current Democratic leader said the Senate is not a rubber stamp, and he noted that the Constitution does not require the Senate to give presidential nominees a vote. That's the current Democratic leader. The incoming Democratic leader did not even wait until the final year of George W. Bush's term to essentially tell the Senate he said, not to consider any Supreme Court nominee the president sent. So here's our view. Instead of spending more time debating an issue where we can't agree, let's keep working to address the issues where we can.